Hello, hello, hello to whoever's gonna be watching this video. So tonight, I'm going to be trying to patch up this hole in my kitchen. So, if you want to see me do my best to get this together, keep watching. Alright? Alright, let's get into it. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do, also, come here. My daughter, she is going to be assisting me through this whole process. The stuff that's already chipping, I'm going to start removing that so we can have a clean canvas. Alright. I just want to tell y'all, your girl is scared of bugs. Ooh. So I got my drywall nails. And I got my compound. And as y'all saw earlier, I got this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to clean up this mess. Look. So yeah, to be continued. It's on. Alright, welcome back, y'all. Right now I'm laying the strips. My daughter helping me. Okay.
I'm using this and the tape to cut. Place it on that thing.
you liked this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos to come. Bye.